ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ, ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, sir. Yes, teacher. Present, ma'am.
Hi children, welcome to Sameda E-Kalike, English second language for 5th standard. Okay, now let us begin the class. Be ready with your pen, textbook and notebook. Before that, we discuss about some important questions. So, yes, question number 1. Do you know about wild animals? Hello children, you think about what is the exact answer? Yes, take 5 or 10 seconds. Can you guess which is the correct answer? Do you know about wild animals? Yes, no problem. Yes, answer is animals that live in jungles, forests or in nature and hunt their own food and water are called wild animals. Okay, thank you children. Are you enjoy? Yes, okay. Now I am going to second question. Yes, what are domestic animals? Once again, what are domestic animals? Yes, you think what is the meaning of domestic animals? Yes, you take 5 seconds. Okay children, now we take the answer. Yes, those animals that depend on humans for shelter, food, water and general care are called domestic animals. Okay, thank you children. Shall I go to next question? Yes, okay. Wow, what a beautiful scene here. Yes, that question is, what is forest? Yes, you think what is the answer of this question? Once again, what is forest? Yes, you take 5 seconds. You think yourselves, no problem. Yes, okay. Now we take the answer. Yes, a forest is a piece of land. A forest is a piece of land with many trees and animals. Okay. Hello children, are you enjoy all these questions and answers? Yes, now I am very enjoy this activity. Okay, that next. Okay, now we do one warm up activity, or other words we call as fun activity. So, hello children, you must listen very carefully. The one note point is there. The teacher will say, that means I will say the name of an animal. If it is the name of a wild animal, clap twice, like this. Same as if it is the name of a domestic animal, clap once. Got it children? Yes. Can I start the warm up activity or fun activity? Okay. Yes, lion, cat, next cheetah, elephant, cow, dog. Wow, what nice. Next, tiger, camel, okay, giraffe. Okay children, are you enjoy this game or fun activity? Now I am very enjoy this activity. Okay, now we discuss about unit 3, prose, the child who saved the forest. Okay children, yes. Now we go to the model reading. Yes, you see. Yes, Prem lived with his parents in a small village near Bandipura forest. He had the good habit of taking an evening walk in the forest. After some days, he became friendly with the animals and birds in the forest. One day, he came home from school looking sad. His mother asked, "What is the matter, Prem?" He replied, "Ma, I have heard that many trees in the forest will be cut down. Where will the animals and birds go if the trees are cut?" His mother knew that Prem loved trees, birds, animals, and flowers. So she said, "Why don't you go to the forest with your friend Nasreen? Find out what has happened exactly." Next, Prem took his friend Nasreen with him to the forest. They walked to their most favorite place in the forest. As they sat on the rock and looked around, Hira, the deer, came sprinting towards them. Okay. Nasreen asked Prem, "What's the matter? Why is the deer looking sad?" Prem replied that the trees in that forest would soon be cut down, and Hira must have heard about this. Both thought for a while about where these animals would go. That next. Thank you, children. Now we discuss about words to know, or other words we call as new words. Okay? Replied means to answer. Once again, replied means to answer. Yes. Exactly means definitely. Exactly means definitely. Okay. Third one, favorite means well liked. Favorite means well liked. But last one, sprinting, it means running very fast. You see once again, sprinting means running very fast. Okay, children, all 1, 2, 3 and 4, these 4 new words write down. We take 10 seconds. Yes. Okay, children. Can I move next one? Yes. This is the comprehension time. Yes, I explain what is the main theme of this lesson. Okay? Yes. Now, you see, Prem lived with his parents in a small village near Bandipura forest. You see once again, where did Prem live? Prem lived in a small village near Bandipura forest. Yes, okay. Next, you see, he had the good habit of talking and evening walk in the forest. Yes, you see, he had the good habit of taking an evening walk in the forest. He means Prem. Okay. Next, after some days, he became friendly with the animals and birds in the forest. Yes, here, who are the close friends of Prem? Yes, the animals and birds are close friends. Okay. Now you go to next. But one day, he came home from school looking sad. His mother asked, "What is the matter, Prem?" He replied, he means Prem replied, "Ma, I have heard that many trees in the forest will be cut down. So, where will the animals and birds go if the trees are cut?" Okay, yes. Next. That time, his mother knew that Prem loved trees, birds, animals, and flowers. So she said, here she means Prem's mother. Oh, okay. Why don't you go to the forest with your friend Nasreen? You think about Prem once again. Why don't you go to the forest with your friend Nasreen? Find out what has happened exactly in the forest. You think yourself, Prem. Yes, okay. Next. Prem took his friend Nasreen with him to the forest. They walked to their most favorite place in the forest. Oh. As they sat on the rock and looked around, Hira, the deer, came sprinting towards them. Wow, okay. Next. Nasreen asked Prem. Yes, you see, Nasreen asked Prem, what's the matter? Why is the deer looking sad? Oh, that time Prem replied that the trees in that forest would soon be cut down, and Hira must have heard about this. Both thought for a while about where these animals would go. Yes. Okay, children, now we discuss about some important questions depending on this content. So, first you see the note point of this one, choose the correct answer. The main thing, choose the correct answer. First question is, where did Prem and his family live? Once again, I repeat the question, where did Prem and his family live? Option number 1, in a small village near Surapura forest. Second one, in a small village near Nagarwale forest. In a small village near Bandipura forest. And fourth one, but last one is none of the above. Children, you think yourselves, take 5 seconds. Okay. Now, we take the answer. Yes. The correct answer is C. That means in a small village near Bandipura forest. Yes. Next question. Who is Nasreen? Sister, friend, mother, or neighbor? Yes. You think yourself, which is the correct answer of this question? Yes, you take 5 seconds once again. Okay. Yes, now we take the answer. Yes, that is answer is friend. Okay, now next question. What is the matter, Prem? Who asked this to Prem? Once again, I repeat the question. What is the matter, Prem? Who asked this to Prem? His mother, his father, his brother, all of them. Yes. Now, we take the answer. Yes, his mother is the answer. Okay. Thank you, children. Next, now we take vocabulary questions. But note point is, find one word for each of the following. Once again, find one word each of the following. Yes. Question number 1. Place where wild animals live. Place where wild animals live. Yes, now take the answer. Yes, you think yourselves. Take the time, 5 seconds. Okay. Now, you see the answer. Yes, forest. Yes, forest. F-O-R-E-S-T. Forest. Next question. A thing or person liked very much. Yes, once again, a thing or person liked very much. Yes, you see the answer. Okay, you think once again? Yes, what is the correct answer? Okay, you see, favorite, that means favorite. Okay, next question, running very fast. Running very fast. Yes, you give the one word of this phrase. Yes, answer is sprinting. Answer is sprinting. 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 Okay, children. Next, you see, homework in the base of assignment. That is first one. It is very simple assignment is there. You see, list down the names of wild animals that you have seen and try to collect the pictures. This is very simple assignment. Second one, list down the names of domestic animals that you have seen and try to collect the pictures. This is also very simple assignment, but third one, this is the most important assignment, that is third one. That means write a few sentences on the forest that you have visited or heard about. Okay? Okay, children? Yes, you write down one by one. You take 10 seconds. You write down 1, 2, 3. These are very important assignments for your homework. Yes, write down. Yes. Okay, children? Yes. Thank you. I am Bhim Sheppa. Came from Got HBS Devikera, Sorapur Taluk, Yadri district. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay.